Hi, my name is Cartmill, and I'm here on behalf of the Jack Appliance Group today to introduce you to a product called Plasmamade. What is Plasmamade? Plasmamade is a new technology that allows you to vent off the cooking surface in your home without having to drill a hole to the outside or use expensive, reoccurring recirculating systems found in other products today. This product filters grease, smoke, odors, microorganisms as small as 0.2 of a micron. It treats air at 600 CFM with a 6-inch round or 4-inch round coupler attached to the updraft unit. As well, there's a 3¼ by 10 downdraft unit that can be placed in the bottom area underneath the cabinets that will allow you for downdraft venting. Once again, 600 CFM, and it's attached with a simple coupler like you see here. This product is very easy to install. It takes literally 5 minutes in just a few short steps. What's involved is very easy to access in a typical application like this with a flute. The unit sits up top with a little coupler. It attaches to wherever the range hood comes out, either at 4-inch round or 6-inch round, and it does a great job of taking that greasy, dirty, smoky air and putting it into fresh, clean air and recirculating it back into the room. The product comes with a 2-year warranty, but can be up to 5 years if you just simply register the product on the Jack Appliance Group website. So the product is rated for 9,000 hours, or the equivalent of 15 years, which is based on 2 hours per day of cooking, which most people don't do that much. But just think about this. 0 maintenance, no filters to change, absolutely nothing to do to the unit. You set it in place, you attach it to electricity, and you plug it into your range hood, and you're finished. No more work to be done for the lifespan of the product. Let's talk a little bit about money savings. This product helps you save money. When you heat your home in this winter and cool your home in the summer, the air that's in that environment inside your home, as soon as you turn on a range hood in a typical application is vented to the outside, start sucking that very expensive air out of the room and putting it outside. With our Plasmamade technology, we're bringing the air in through the system of a regular range hood. We're treating the air in the chamber, and we're releasing that air back into the room. So we're not affecting the environment in the room with hot and cold air that you pay to bring into the room. So from a money savings perspective, this product does that, as well as save you with the cost of venting and drilling holes to the outside in a new application. Builders will love this product when it will allow them to cut back completely on having to run venting for their kitchen environments. So from an environmental standpoint, this product has many other benefits as well. It's made of a fire retardant polymer. It's 98% recyclable. It uses less physical waste, as I mentioned, than these other typical venting systems that you find with charcoal filters that are removed every 3 to 4 months. Plasmamade is a solution for most customers with a cooking surface in their home looking to find a way to vent that area and create a clean environment that's environmentally friendly and safe for their family. I'd like to introduce you to Plasmamade. Think about it, consider it is a fantastic new product. We're just coming to North America with it now. See your appliance retailer for this product. If you want to find out more about the science of the product, you can go on our website, the Jack Appliance Group, or NKBA, and look for the link on the podcast that was done with the science behind this product being very well explained in that particular commentary. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a great day and look forward to speaking to you more about Plasmamade in the coming months. Bye.